Welcome back to another edition of Quarantine Cooking, where we take leftovers from your house and turn them into a great meal. As always, I'm your host, Brace from 2136, and today we're going to be making a delicious pizza casserole over the fire. This is for my cooking merit badge, which is even required. First, to start off, you're going to need to get the ingredients on here. First, we're going to use pepperoni, some bacon, diced onions, green peppers, and banana peppers. My seasoning that I chose to use was a little bit of Italian seasoning, garlic powder, crushed up red peppers, and salt and pepper.
Warning! If you're not used to spicy food, please leave out the red pepper. You've been warned.
Then we go over here to our canned diced tomatoes. That'll be used for our sauce. And then we have some pizza sauce, which will also be used for our sauce. And then we have rotelli noodles, which will be our noodles in the pizza casseroles. And then we just have leftover pizza sauce. And we also have over here mozzarella cheese to make the pizza casserole more pizza-y. That's a word.
Pizza? All right.
Pizza-y.
I like it.
And, yeah, let's get to mixing the ingredients. We're gonna add our canned diced tomatoes into the bowl or pot. We're gonna add all of them in there. Then we're gonna add our noodles, rotini noodles.
Rotelli.
Rotelli. All of them. And then we add our pizza sauce. Make sure not to put that in one spot. Try and get it around. Even though we may be mixing, but we can get it all around. Next, we'll be stirring our noodles, the sauce around. Next, we'll be adding our second pizza sauce can in our jar. Constantly stir because we want to mix that up all together. Then after that, we're gonna want to add our bacon. Add that in there.
Bacon sounds good in that.
Yeah, it does. You'll want to stir that all together. Keep on stirring. Stir that up for a little bit.
What else?
And then next, we're gonna need to add some pepperoni. Stir that up. Next, we'll be adding our vegetables. And stir this up again. Looking good already. And then we're going to be adding our peppers. Banana peppers. Stir that up some more. And then next we'll be adding our seasoning. We're not going to add all of it because it's going to give it a little bit too much flavor. So we're going to take these pinches and just sprinkle it over it. Stir that up some. Do it again. Stir it up some. We'll probably put 2 more pinches in. Another one. And our last pinch. Stir it up. And then let's put this over the fire with our Dutch oven. Now we're going to let our pizza casserole hang over the fire and simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, stirring it every so often. Now that our casserole has been cooking cooking for 30 minutes and the noodles are finally done, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. I had 2 bags of cheese, but we combined it into one, so it's a lot easier. Now, once I pour the cheese, we're going to pour half, stop and stir, and then pour the other half and stir. There you have it, a delicious pizza casserole cooked over the fire. As always, I'm Brace from Troop 136, and I'm sharing with you another campfire recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thank you for watching.
Ready?
That's hot. We're on the cold now. Hot.
Warning, if you don't like spicy foods, please leave.
Brace from Troop 136, and